Coop on his first recovery. We're throwing him to the wolves. All right, we're just down here slaving away late night on the Onx build. We got to go on a recovery. So Cooper, this is his first recovery. So he's gonna go grab a quick bite to eat up to the house. Michelle made some food, and I'm gonna throw some fuel in the tow truck and get it ready to rock. We'll go get these people stuck in the sand. 2 cars, so 2 trucks. I don't know what they are, but we'll get them out.
Let's get it.
Shouldn't take us long. Just drive there, pull them out, come back, no big deal. Before we're headed back to Peekaboo, we'll see how this all pans out. All right, away we go. We got their pin plugged into Onx. We are currently, we're that little black line right there. We'll go down to find them. No problem. We know we'll find them. It's dark. We don't want to have to hunt, so we use Onx and we can find them. If you guys want to save yourself some money, use code fabrats/20 when you check out. Save yourself some cash. Everyone likes to save. We are on the dirt road now. We'll see if we can find them.
How far out there are they supposed to be?
I'll bet it's right where you go through this little swell and then turn to go off the big sand hill. I'll bet they're right there. That's usually where everyone's at. They slow down to make that turn and they don't make the turn. She's fun. She just makes you smile driving.
Yeah, she does. She just works.
Yep, it just does what it's supposed to do. Hey, we found one. Hey, we found 2.
We found them.
It's a twofer. Let's go see what we got to do.
Good.
I'm gonna hook my short rope to you and I'll just turn you around right here.
Yeah, that'll be fun.
How's it going?
You're the YouTube guy. Told you YouTube was gonna show up. Yeah. Took a wrong turn.
Yeah, it happens to the best of us. We'll get you out.
Let's go. All right. We're pretty close, so don't run into me. All right. some air out, Coop.
Let some air out.
All right. Here we go.
Alright, we aired down. Ready to go for it one more time. Well, until we get it out. Said he's gonna hit him a little bit harder this time. That was pretty sweet, man.
Crazy what air will do, right?
Hit him a little bit harder that time.
A little bit harder.
Not much.
I think he can back right in here. I'll put some lights over there for you. Oh yeah, you got her.
Yeah, you better get in there.
Yeah, thank you guys.
Yep, we'll go get this one. Hop in, Coop, we'll go get another one. So, I will have you drive this car. We'll put our headsets on. We got live communication with each other.
Alright,
And I'm just gonna hook to the front of it. We're gonna spin that car around and I'll just pull you backwards.
Alright. One down, one to go.
One down, one to go. This one, there's nowhere to hook on these new cars. So, we'll see what we can find here. Be clear up to the AR. We're good. Yeah, we can get it. We're just figuring the plan out.
Oh, I forgot to close the door. I still didn't get a shot.
So where are you from?
Netherlands.
Netherlands.
I should say Germany now.
You got this kind of sand over there?
Yeah, but we don't drive cars in this kind of sand. This is just for beaches.
Okay. Yeah, I don't know
Where
where
I'm from, either it's paved or you can't get in my car.
Oh, really?
Yep.
There's no off-roading and
There's no off-roading at all.
I couldn't live there. This is what we do. This is fun.
We don't have any beaches, but we drive on a lot of sand.
We got no beaches. You tell me when you're all ready to rock, Coop.
You want to reverse, right? Push
Yeah, let's go reverse.
button left here, and then like that.
Okay.
All right, we got Coop on his first recovery. We're throwing him to the wolves. He's in the car, making this happen. If you can find the traction control, go ahead and turn it off.
There we go.
That's as much as I know about
Do you
this.
know if there's any traction control on here?
I couldn't find it.
It'll be fine. Turn all the way, drivers. I'm just gonna go ahead and ease you. These cars are light.
Perfect.
Tell me when you're up where you can make a turn.
Yeah, I got that right there.
Alright, I'll back up. We'll unhook her.
Sweet. Alright, we're gonna unhook.
Just because otherwise it makes you annoying sound.
Oh, I didn't even notice I was listening to Paul. We'll get her flipped around here.
Amazing the difference, right?
Oh yeah.
From a 12,000 pound truck to this little 3,000 pound car. Recovery about under his belt. Let's do this.
Here we go.
All right, Coop, this is gonna sound odd, but just put it in drive and don't really give it a lot of gas.
Alright, copy that.
That way you won't run my rope over.
Yeah, I got you. How do you like the tow truck, man?
It's badass.
Just let me pull you around.
I haven't even touched the gas yet. You're just pulling me.
Yep, just like that. We're good to go. I'll pull you to the... I'll probably just pull you to the top of this hill right here and I'll turn you loose.
Yeah, we can probably drive down it. Have you ate dinner yet? I bet you're pretty hungry.
Not yet. Not yet.
Been out here since 5 o'clock, just grinding.
Is that thing all-wheel drive even?
Yeah, I think it is all-wheel drive.
They made some big ruts here, man. I'll just keep pulling you for a second.
All right.
Feel like she'll drive?
Yeah, I think so.
Alright.
All right, we're gonna unhook, and then we're gonna try and drive it out of here.
Yeah.
Sound good?
Yeah.
Good to go?
Good to go. I'll just ease along in front of you in case I need to pull you again.
Sweet. Let's hear what you have to say about this whole deal.
It's quite an experience. And this, you know, if you take a wrong turn where I'm from,
Yeah.
you have to drive a little bit further. If you take a wrong turn here, yeah.
Alright, we got him out. Coop's driving now. We're out of here.
You know, if it's a dirt road, but hard, you can see when you're going to get into trouble. With sand, it's not. Sand is just soft.
Yeah, for sure. We'll get you out of here. The key is to keep a good pace.
Yep. Getting in was very
Can't let
easy.
off the gas.
Cruise right out of here. We'll go home.
It's doing pretty good now.
Yeah.
You're almost out, almost on your way back. Get some food. Is that
Up to
seatbelt?
now, it's been a sweet car.
Yeah, I like the car. It's,
Unpaved roads.
yeah. I bet it gets good gas mileage.
I should.
Well, we made it.
Alright, there you go, sir.
All right, thanks.
You're very welcome.
So, how do I pay? Or...
You don't have to pay anything. We're good. No, we're good.
Not really?
You have an awesome vacation. You'll see yourself on YouTube. That's how we get paid.
I would definitely want to see that.
Fab Rats.
That's
Just
really
look at
great.
Fab Rats. So,
Thanks.
have a good night.
Thank you too.
Stay on the hard stuff. You'll be
Awesome
good.
truck.
It works good. Yeah. All right,
We'll
man.
see ya.
Cheers.
Have a good trip.
All right, what do you think about your first recovery?
I keep forgetting to bring the freaking light so you can see.
Can't see stuff. It's nights. I told you, nights are just terrible.
Yeah.
They're hard. These things are awesome. They change.
They were
Yeah.
sweet.
Yeah, they make it so you don't, yelling at each other. You can just let's go home.
We're back on the road.